Mud Book, How to Make Mud Pies by John Cage and Lois Long. Mud Book, How to Make Mud Pies by John Cage and Lois Long. Mud pie. Some dirt and enough water. Mix part dirt and water until it stays wherever you put it, instead of running the way water does without any dirt in it. If it's too sloppy, squeeze it until some of the water gets out. Dump it onto a newspaper. Bake outdoors in sunshine where nothing is dripping. Mud layer cake. Sift dirt. Don't let any pebbles stay in the dirt, but save them because you will need them later. If dirt will not sift, step on it or pound it with a stone. Mix the dirt with water. Put half the mud in the pie pan. Put the other half in another pie pan. Set them in the sun to bake until the pie gets smaller than the pan. Put a piece of cardboard on top of the pie. Turn it upside down. Take away the pan. If it sticks, it's not done. You have to wait more. Put a plate on top of the other pie, holding them together. Then turn them both over so that the pan is on the top. The pie is in the middle. The plate is on the bottom, like a sandwich. Remove the pan, get the pebbles, and quickly press them into the top of the pie. You must finish before the pie is dry, or they will just roll off. Put the first pie on top of the pebbles. If it cracks, put a little water in the crack and push it back together. For a birthday cake, dandelions make nice candles if they are dried up. Make a wish and blow out all the candles. Mud pies are to make and to look at and enjoy, not to eat. The end.